Hey guys, Yumina Hall here, and this is the free 5-day live video challenge. Okay, LVMQ, hashtag that, guys, because this is the live video marketing queens free 5-day video challenge, and I want to invite you to join the challenge. Okay, now over the next 5 days, guys, we are going to be doing live video. That's right, live video. So if you are afraid of doing live videos, guys, don't worry about it. In this challenge for the next 5 days, I'm going to help you overcome that fear by going live. Okay, so if you are afraid of doing live videos, don't be scared. They're not hard, they're actually fun and easy. And I am going to provide you with 25 hot topics for you to actually do your live videos over the next 5 days. And you can do as many live videos as you want, guys, because each of your live videos will count as an entry in the challenge to receive a grand prize. Now, I'm only going to pick one winner of the grand prize, so that means you have to participate over the next 5 days of the challenge. Now, like I said, you can add as many videos as you like inside of the challenge, and I'm going to provide you with the 25 hot topics for you to actually do your challenge. Okay, guys? So with that being said, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, get registered for the challenge, and I will see you on the inside.